In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your work to a PDF in Lucidchart easily and efficiently. Whether you're working on a complex mind map or a detailed flowchart, exporting to PDF can be an invaluable tool for sharing and presenting your work. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Lucidchart account. Once you're in, navigate directly to the Documents section where all your saved charts and diagrams are housed. It's your personal hub for all the awesome things you create. Take a moment to glance through your projects and select the specific chart you wish to export. After you've decided, simply click on that chart to open it up. This will bring you to the document editor, which is where we'll conduct the next steps of our exporting mission. Now, with your chart open and ready, turn your gaze towards the upper part of your screen. Here, you'll find the File menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a range of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Export. This step is your gateway to converting your chart into different file formats, including a PDF. Once you've clicked to export, you'll be presented with several options. Out of all these, select PDF. You might notice this option appears twice in the drop-down, but rest assured, for the most seamless experience, click the one on the right side. Upon clicking PDF, you'll find a handy side panel open up on your screen. And this is where the magic happens. Here, you're presented with a few settings specifically tailored for optimizing your PDF export. One of the first settings to ponder over is the specific content you wish to include in your PDF. Lucidchart offers you the flexibility to export either the entire document or just particular pages or sections. This feature ensures your PDF contains only the most relevant parts of your work, keeping it concise and focused. Moving along, make sure you adjust the page size to suit your specific needs. This determines how well your diagram fits onto each page of the PDF and plays a crucial role in maintaining both the quality and readability of your work. Also, take note of the option to include page fill if needed. This can enhance the overall presentation style of your PDF, making it look more polished. Before you complete the process, take a brief moment to review your choices and ensure everything is set just as you want it. With all your settings confirmed, direct your attention to the top of the side panel and click Download. Lucidchart will swiftly start converting your selected content exactly as configured. In mere moments, your professional-grade PDF file will be ready and will download directly to your computer. Now, you have a professional PDF export of your Lucidchart creation ready to be shared, emailed, or printed as needed. And there you have it. Exporting to PDF in Lucidchart is that straightforward. With just a few clicks and some thoughtful selections, you can seamlessly transform your charts into high-quality PDF documents.